Okay, I went and picked me up some wine barrels, and I'm getting ready to plant me some zinnias and some marigolds to add some flowers in my garden. I'm going to get ready to put some soil in these pots and plant me some flowers. Beautify my garden a little more with beautiful flowers. Okay, I have my soil all mixed in real good. Now I'm getting ready to add the zinnias. I'm going to put them in the back of the pot because it says it can get up to 16 to 18 inches in height. So I'm going to put them in the back. And the marigolds, I'm going to put them in the front. They say they can get up to 12 inches in height. Let me just sprinkle them in, and then I'm going to water them down. Okay, I'm going to sprinkle the zinnias around the back part. And put a few on this side here too. Okay, I'm going to sprinkle some more marigolds in the front over here. Marigold on this side. Sitting all up in the front. Then I'm going to cover them up with some dirt. Cover them up with the dirt. Cover them up with some dirt. I'm not an expert with this growing flowers. It's going to be my first time. Let's see how they're going to come out. Water them down some more. And let's watch them grow. I'm going to set them under my trees over there, one on each side, and watch them grow up and be some beautiful flowers coming out here on my garden. And the marigolds will help bring some bees to pollinate the plants in the garden. Okay, I have them placed in their new home now. Okay, grow pretty now. You too, grow pretty now. Yeah, my zinnias and my marigolds growing. They coming up. I see you. Yeah, my daughter got me looking real springy here. With my flowers all everywhere. said she got more decorating she gonna do for me out here. You got my little garden looking nice.